Hello, my name is Manuela. I'm 57 years old, coming from Germany, Munich, Germany. And I'm here in India because I had an accident and my leg is 4.5 centimeter, or has been 4.5 centimeter too short. The German doctors don't want to make a surgery. They can, but they don't want to because I'm diabetic. And so I found MediGence, and MediGence looked for a hospital for me. They asked which city, and I said New Delhi because I can take a direct flight to New Delhi, and they found the Aakash hospital here in the city. And the surgery was done from Dr. Ashish Chaudhry, and they really make these things super. Healing was no problem, and the bone also now is healing super, because before they make the surgery they have to cut the bones, then they take a precise nail, a motorized magnetic nail inside, screw, and this screw is without the machine from outside. The lengthening is done with 0.5 millimeter or 0.75 millimeter or 1 millimeter. That's most thing you can do a day, how the doctors say. So that's why I'm in the country now 3 months. Some people go home with the machine, but I think this is a problem if the machine is not working if you are back in your country. But most of the people stay in the country that has done the surgery and wait until the lengthening is done. This is happening 1 week ago, and I go home on Saturday in the night. And it also was very, very helpful that I have a physiotherapist, that Dr. Rahil, that always helping, and because my ankle was stiff from the first surgery in Germany, and so he brings a lot of movement in my ankle with his with the sessions, with the therapy. And this was really very helpful, and I think when I'm allowed to take weight on the right leg, it will be, the doctors say, 5 months, about 5 months, because the bone has to heal now after the lengthening. It will be very helpful, this movement, for walking normal. And yes, in the hospital they make the surgery super. I'm living in a guest house. There's also a guest house from the hospital, from the Aakash hospital, and so there the personnel was really, really helpful, because I come to India, to Delhi, alone, and you are not able to walk, and so sometimes you need help. It's not so easy, but it works. I go home. That's what I say on Saturday. Yes, and they are all helping, like Ashwin from MediGence, or especially Vishwas. They are all doing their very, very best also. So thank you.